Pringles production begins with dehydrated potato flakes. Massive industrial sacks unload this dry base into stainless steel receiving hoppers.
The potato flakes combine with corn and rice flour. Automated augers transport these precise ratios into a central mixing unit. Purified water is injected into the dry mixture. Heavy-duty industrial paddles churn the ingredients under high torque, forming a dense dough. The freshly mixed dough drops onto a sanitized conveyor belt. It travels steadily toward the heavy steel rollers of the sheeting department. Thousands of pounds of pressure squeeze the dough. Heavy steel rollers flatten it into a continuous, perfectly even sheet.
A precision rotary cutter presses into the moving dough. It stamps out thousands of identical oval shapes every minute without breaking pace.
The cut oval pieces continue forward, while the excess dough web is lifted away. This ensures only perfect shapes reach the fryers. To eliminate waste, the leftover dough webbing is fed back into the main mixer. It is seamlessly reintegrated into the next batch. The raw cutouts travel in perfectly aligned rows. Optical sensors monitor the belt to ensure no pieces overlap before cooking.
The flat dough drops into curved metal molds. This saddle shape, a hyperbolic paraboloid, keeps them uniform during frying. The molds plunge into a continuous bath of boiling vegetable oil. Exactly 11 seconds of frying creates a perfectly crisp texture.
Emerging from the hot oil, the molds travel up a steep incline. This allows excess cooking oil to naturally drain away.
High-velocity air blowers sweep over the passing molds. This forceful blast strips away remaining surface oil, keeping the crisps light. The metal molds open, and the golden crisps are gently flipped onto a wide mesh conveyor, permanently holding their iconic shape. The crisps pass under automated seasoning dispensers. A precise cloud of powdered flavoring coats the top side of every moving chip.
To prevent moisture buildup in packaging, the hot seasoned crisps travel along a long cooling conveyor, safely reaching room temperature.
Advanced optical scanners analyze the moving rows. Any broken or burnt pieces are instantly blasted off the line with compressed air. The flat rows converge into narrow lanes. They slide together, overlapping into a continuous, neatly stacked ribbon of potato crisps.
Automated dividers separate the endless stack into precise portions. Each segmented block is accurately weighed to ensure an exact fill.
These measured stacks glide perfectly into the iconic cylindrical cans. The tight fit ensures the fragile crisps won't shatter during transport. Once filled, the cans stand upright. An induction sealer instantly bonds an aluminum foil membrane over the opening to lock in freshness. Next, the iconic plastic overcaps are securely snapped into place. These flexible lids allow consumers to reseal the can after opening. The sealed cans pass over a high-speed inkjet printer. It fires tiny drops of ink to print the exact production batch and expiration date on the bottom. Every can passes through an automated checkweigher and X-ray scanner. This final double check guarantees the correct weight and absolute food safety.
The finished cans are grouped together by automated sorting lanes. Robotic grippers lift and lower them perfectly into corrugated cardboard shipping boxes.
The filled boxes travel through an automatic case sealer. Mechanical arms fold the cardboard flaps while heavy-duty tape secures them for transport. A robotic applicator slaps a high-contrast shipping label onto every box. Automated lasers scan the barcodes to track the inventory in real time. The sealed boxes travel to the palletizing station. Heavy-duty articulated robotic arms lift and stack them precisely onto wooden shipping pallets. Once a pallet is fully loaded, it enters a stretch wrapper. A mechanical arm spins rapidly, encasing the entire tower in heavy-duty plastic film. Automated guided vehicles quietly lift the wrapped pallets. These driverless robots navigate the factory floor, delivering the crisps to the storage warehouse.
Inside a massive, dark storage facility, towering robotic cranes take over. They lift pallets dozens of stories high, slotting them into precise locations.
Meanwhile, the quality control lab conducts random sampling. Technicians use digital moisture analyzers to ensure the crisps meet exact crunch standards. To guarantee freshness, sealed cans undergo vacuum burst testing. The pressure inside a water chamber is altered to ensure the foil never fails.
Back on the production floor, the empty mixing vats run an automated clean-in-place cycle. High-pressure steam scrubs the steel for the next batch.
Engineers monitor this entirely automated workflow from a central control room. Digital dashboards track fryer temperatures, belt speeds, and inventory levels.
When global shipping orders arrive, the high bay cranes reactivate. They rapidly retrieve the exact requested pallets from the dark storage towers. Retrieved pallets roll down heavy-duty staging conveyors. Automated diverters sort them into specific loading lanes based on their final destinations. At the loading docks, electric forklifts swiftly pick up the staged pallets. They drive them directly into the back of waiting commercial trailers. Fully loaded and sealed, the logistics fleet departs the factory. These trucks distribute the finished potato crisps to regional hubs worldwide. For international markets, shipping containers are loaded onto freight trains. This intermodal rail network connects the factory to major ocean ports. The freight trains arrive at coastal terminals. Massive gantry cranes hoist the shipping containers onto cargo ships bound for overseas markets. These colossal vessels navigate the world's oceans. The tightly packed cans are protected from humidity and breakage throughout the long journey. Upon reaching their destination country, containers are unpacked at regional distribution centers. Automated sorting systems immediately route the inventory. Inside the hub, robotic systems break down the full pallets. They select individual boxes to fulfill specific orders for local grocery chains.
These custom retail orders are rebuilt into mixed pallets. An automated wrapper secures the various products for safe local transit.
A fleet of local delivery trucks takes over. These smaller vehicles navigate urban environments to reach individual supermarkets and stores. Delivery personnel use hand trucks to roll the stacked cases directly into store stockrooms, completing the global logistics chain. Store employees unpack the boxes. The iconic cylindrical cans are neatly arranged. When a consumer pops the plastic cap and peels back the foil, the vacuum seal breaks, revealing a perfectly stacked row of crisps.
From dehydrated potato flakes to a marvel of engineering and logistics. The result is identical, unbroken, and perfectly seasoned every time.